getting is that there are a number of them who are behaving in a similar manner. We want to remind them, wherever they are, that you cannot wield any more power than people who have been elected by Kenyans and sent to this house to represent them and address the issues of concern to the whole country. You could be sitting in State House or in the cabinet office, in your cabinet minister's offices, but you must understand that this house has got authority over you. This house. So I want to really plead, and I'm seeing this letter, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this letter on the face of it is really insulting. This letter is dated 5th July, which is today. And I am told she was required to be here. I didn't know because I don't take much interest. But I am told she was supposed to be here today. If you got a letter inviting you to Parliament for whatever reason, either to a committee or to the whole House, for whatever reason, 3 weeks in advance, you cannot wait until the last minute and then you write to Parliament that you are engaged in some nebulous activity, in some dingy places. Mr. Speaker, you cannot do that. And in fact, I will be inviting, Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, I will be inviting my colleagues not to wait for the Honorable Chungwa to initiate that process. I would be inviting my colleagues, especially on this side, please proceed and initiate the process of sending this cabinet secretary home, and you will get my fullest support. Thank you.
Thank you. I will not escalate that debate. I think wherever the minister is, she has had order. The minister